All right, y'all, we're off the beaten path, me and Cheryl. This is Cheryl's birthday today, and we're doing our own personal tour of Puerto Rico. Currently, we're in the mountains of Puerto Rico, and we are at, let's see, we're at the waterfall. This is called El Charco La Sopolera Waterfall. El Charco La Sopolera Waterfall. Okay, where we're at here. You see the water? You got to go on the bridge to look at it.
All right. I
Gotta
grab the red map, but we
huh?
leave.
No, you got to. Yeah, you got to. No, you got to go on the bridge here.
All right.
The bridge will show you. Yeah.
Just seeing what there is.
That's pretty deep down in there.
Yeah. Some kind of fruit.
Huh? Yeah.
Some kind of fruit.
That's, yeah, whatever these trees are.
Yeah. Good.
So you got to go on the bridge and look at it. And y'all, yeah, la Sapolera. But,
I wonder if we're supposed to walk up there. See what that blue sign says.
yeah, this is probably it right here. You want me to?
We better lock the car then.
I'll cut the car off.
Yeah.
I'll cut the did it down
That's
stack
probably
off.
what we're supposed to do.
Yeah. Looks like it.
Yeah.
We'll kill this and go on. We're gonna go ahead and take a walk, y'all. There we go.
Taking this. When we get the car, we'll make another plan.
Yeah.
Plan, man. All right, here we go.
That's it. Yeah, you go walk up there, exactly. Then you can see it more.
We found it.
Well, it says right there, Bienvenidos La Sopolera. So me,
Kaylin's sister-in-law's last name before she got married to Hanson.
Sopolera?
Benavides.
Oh. So here's a little trail we go up.
Now we'll find it.
We're learning all this as we go, y'all. We were going to do the rainforest, but the rainforest, you got to make reservations a day in advance. And then it's a sweat box when you go in there. It's 2 hours away from our hotel. This is close.
We got an arrow up there showing us where to go.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't go over there. See, $1,000 amount multa por arrojar basura. That's just that's actually just a trash warning there. You can walk over here. $1,000 fine for we'll go up there, but I'm gonna look over here real quick. See if I can see anything. A little bit of water here. A little bit here, y'all. Okay. Not much to look at. Go the other way. You got big spiders over here I just ran into. I don't need to be damn getting bit up by a tarantula. All right. So that's good. A little parking there, free parking. I like this free stuff, you know. Huh? This is cool. You just walk a little way up here and that's it. And y'all, these roads coming up here is a single lane road, but traffic goes each way. Oh yeah. And Cheryl found this spot, y'all, on the map. They give you a map and you get to look at this.
There we go.
Huh?
We found it.
Yeah.
The waterfall.
Let's go walk close to it. Guess we'll go down. We can go this way, I guess.
You go, I'll wait.
You're not gonna come this way?
Nope.
All right.
I know my limits, baby. I need a mule to do this one.
A who?
A mule.
They got steps here. They got a little, if you want to come?
No, I'm gonna watch you.
Okay.
I'm gonna watch you from here. I can see the whole thing.
Good idea. Could have some rock slides up there, y'all. This is awesome. So happy I came to Puerto Rico. Last time I came here, I didn't do all this touring on my own. Cheryl and I are explorers, though. Yeah, I will in a second. You probably drink that water, too. It's like the Congo, y'all. Look at that right there. The tropical storm went by and everything. Very nice. I will go back a little bit further, y'all, but I want to get that running water. But there's a little waterfall, y'all. Nice. Beautiful. Some kind of animal I just saw run somewhere. See if I can get over here. Get a better shot of the waterfall. Very nice. Look how beautiful the world is, y'all. Love this nature shot right here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful. It's as picturesque as anything. Love it. The water's probably nice and cool. When it rains real hard, this whole thing where I'm standing probably underneath the water. Very nice. Very nice.